Namaste guys. So in this video we are going to make this mechanism. As usual, I don't know what are its dimensions, anything else. I just saw a video on YouTube and I'm trying to make it. Okay. So here I have opened assembly mode. Okay. So first we have to do is click on here, click on new part, select the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now click here, click on center rectangle. Now draw the line. Now I saw that there's certain increase in my comments that people are asking how I know the dimensions. The truth is I don't know any kind of dimensions. I just saw internet and things like yeah this might be the dimensions of it. Okay, so I am doing roughly. Okay, it's not like I know the exact dimensions of it. Anything else? So that's the thing I do. Now click on extrude boss base. Click on thin feature and extrude up to 150 mm. Okay, 150 mm is too small. 400 mm. Click OK and select this face. Click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 and click on convert entities. Now as you can see the black sketch is created here. Now go to features, click on extrude. Extrude up to 10 mm, click OK. Now select this top face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. First thing we have to create is center line. Escape and center line again. Okay, now we are going to create midpoint line. uh, Instead of midpoint line, just go here, click on center straight slot. I know some people are wondering how the hell I'm getting dimensions. I'm just telling you that I just know that this might will work. I didn't know exact dimensions of anything else. I just know that this might will work. Okay, 350 mm and that's okay. Now click on mirror entities, select the sketch, okay, and mirror about this line. Click OK, press Ctrl Z. I don't know what happened. Mirror entities, select this and click on mirror about. Select this line, click OK. Now go to features, click on Extrude Cut, click on through all, click OK. Just to know that I might increase or decrease these dimensions because I think there might be some mistakes. There might be some mistake will happen. Okay. Now what I need to do is exit this edit assembly component mode. Click on here. Click on new part. Now select the right plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Now I need to make a C shape here. So let's make the C shape. Before making that, make sure that you have click on no external preferences, else you will face a lot of problem. Okay. Uh, let's make it, yeah, up to this here, here. Let's give it dimensions. So this one is 380 mm. This one is 387 mm, and make it this one 387 mm as well. And from here to here it is 9.5 mm, and this one from here to here is 380 divided by 2. Okay, center, and after that, yeah, it's all fine. Now click on extrude. Now this time the extrusion is in the center. Okay, and make sure that you select the mid plane because that is what I'm going to use, and extrude it. Extrude up to 80 mm is fine, I guess. Now go to the fillet and we need to do some filleting. And let's say the diameter radius is 40 mm. click OK. Now select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8 and draw a circle. Basically we need to draw something. Let's see what I need to draw. If I draw this, okay, I need to draw a circle here. um, let's say its diameter is 30 mm. Click on Extrude Cut through all, click OK. Now what we have to do is select the front plane, click on sketch, okay, and instead of front plane what we can do is exit the sketch, select this top plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. I think this one is 10 mm, so let's make the here, let's make it 2 and they are 10 mm, 10 mm, 10 mm, 40 mm. Escape and select this to make it vertical, sorry, Control Z, make it horizontal, and distance from here to here is 40 mm. Click OK, and distance from here to here is 65 mm. Now go here, click on extrude it. 50 mm is fine, I guess. Okay, 45, let's try 45 mm. 45 mm, okay. We will increase or decrease the dimensions later onwards, so don't worry about it. After that what we can do is click on mirror, select this and select the top plane and mirror it. Okay, now click OK. Now move this part, go to the mates, select this face, go to the mechanical mates, click on slot mate, select this face. Okay, click OK. So what happened, what you can see now that it can move. Okay, first close it, right click on this part, click on fix, so I can move, forward, backward. Okay, okay, I need to add one more slot mate, select this face, select this one and this one. The reason I have selected two, so that they only move uh, in straight direction, not rotate. As you can see, it can only move in this direction, they are not rotating. Now let's give some distance, so go here, mates, go to advanced mates, click on width, select this face and this face and select this face and this face, click OK. Now as you can see that this can only move forward and backward. This is what basically I want. Okay, now now what I need to do is I need to make something so that it can make something here. So let's see what I can do for it. So what I can do, I need to make a shelf here. So go here, click on new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Okay, and I need to make a part here. Let's see how to design it. So after thinking about some time now, I think this is how we can approach it. So select the rectangle and draw a rectangle like this and give it a dimensions. So let's give the dimension 375. Make sure dimension in such a way that it should be filling properly here. So make it little smaller. It's not going to problem. 370 mm. Okay, it is not going to create a problem. And make it 350 mm. 370 mm is fine. And go to features, click on extrude it. Make sure thin feature is activated. And remember, while doing all making parts, this is always switched on. If it is switched off, you will face a lot of problems. 80 mm. And click OK. Select this face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Click on convert entities. Now go to features, extrude it. Reverse direction, make it 3 mm. Click OK. Select stop face, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now we need to make something that basically move forward backward. So we need to make basically a slot here again. So let's make it. Go here, make sure that we are in the center of it, and let's create a slot. The slot length is 350. Let's go to evaluate. I need to measure something. So this length is 390. So go to sketch. So the distance will be 390 divided by 2. Okay, and this one is 30 mm. And the distance from here to here is 40. Okay, and go to features, click on Extrude Cut, 30 mm. Click OK. Now we can make other things as well. Click on here, sketch, Ctrl plus 8. Now let's make something more interesting things. One more. These dimensions are not important, so you can make it as per your requirement. Okay, so I'm not going to spend a lot of time to make it dimensionally correct. Again, I'm just making roughly. I don't know the dimension of it, so I'm thinking while making it. Okay, now let's see what we can do is, now we can move with this part. First thing I have to do is to make this part at the center. So go to the mates, remove this face, go to advanced, click on width, select this face and this face, and select this face and this face. Click OK. As you can see, they are interfering, so I need to make it correct. Select this part, click on edit components. Instead of 350, let's make it 330. Click OK. Click on rebuild. Yep, it looks okay now. And one more thing I need to do is go to the features and make it through all. Click OK. Now you notice something, that I click on through all, but the extrusion cut is not here. So make sure that you note the steps. So first I have done the extrude cut. After that I have applied this base pose. That is the reason there is no hole here. Okay. This is a very simple thing, but yeah, it is very important thing. So don't take it lightly. Now we need to make other parts. So let's see, one more part I guess. Exit. So go here, click on new part, select the right plane, press Ctrl plus 8, Now we need to make a sharp or simple, hold type thing. Make sure no external preference is on, else you will face a problem. I'm repeating again because this is the most best thing I have done while designing things. And make it 30 mm and select this. Okay, go to here, click on revolve, select the center line, click OK. Exit it. Now go to the mates, select this face and this face, click OK. Select this face and this face, click OK. Now we need to use a special mate. Go to mechanical mates, click on slot, select this face and this one and click OK. So if I try to grab it, close this, so I can move it back. Animation for this is little tough, I guess. Go ahead, click on rotate components because I want to rotate it, and after that move component because I want to move it. So as you can see, it is a little bit complex, but yeah, it's working. Now in case of second one, instead of doing this all hard work again and again, what we can simply do is uh, go here and click on mirror components. Always do the smart work, not the hard work, and select all the parts. Before I do that, I need to make this one to here as well. So what we can do is, uh, first I need to mirror it. I need to mirror two ways. So go here, click on mirror components, select the top face and select this one. Click OK. So I got it here. Now make it the mirror again, mirror components and select the right component, select this one, this one, this one, this one and this one. Click OK. So this one doesn't look right. Select this. I guess I have made some mistake here, so we need to make it correct. So select this part. Okay, the right click on this part first, click on float and go to the mates, select the part, select the right plane and select the right plane of the assembly. Click OK. Now it looks nice. Close it. And what we need to do is, some first thing, right click on it, click on fix, so that we don't do this the stupidity again. Select this part. As you can see, this one has quite old one, so let's fix them. Right click on it, let's decrease the distance, let's say 20 mm. 18 is fine, I guess. Yeah, so click OK, exit. Now it's look fine. Now let's try to do the most difficult thing, that is this animation. So how we can do this animation? Okay, let's see. So go to the motion study, click OK. First select this face, let's make something first so that we don't do mistakes. So go to here, select this face and this face, make it parallel, close this and make it parallel. Click OK. Don't worry about it. Now what we need to do is go here. Remember the parallel mate. Now delete it. The only reason I add this mate just to make it at the correct position. Nothing else. Now let's try to do the animation part. Now to the animation. First go here and increase the FPS. Let's say 30 FPS is I guess fine. And go to the motor. Select this face and click on reverse direction. Click on distance 90 degree and it is going to run as 0 to 3 seconds. Click OK. After that, up this, click OK. If I click on calculate, let's see the animation first. Okay, this looks great. Now I need this part to move this here and backward. So what I can do is just I am going to say again, I don't know dimensions or any of it. I just saw on YouTube and trying to make it. Okay, so learn from it what kind of mistakes I do. Okay, I'm thinking if you ever saw me that I'm stopping, is because I'm thinking what should be the next step. Okay, it's not like I know everything. Select this and click on linear components. Select this face and click here. Click on clear section because okay, basically I want that direction should be in this way. So let's see what I can do. Oh yeah, this one. Now click on distance. This one start from 3.5 seconds and add at 5 seconds. Distance it will traveling is we are saying 200 mm. Click OK. Now let's see how does the animation look. As you can see the deadlines pops up, so what we can do to fix it, yeah, this motor. Okay, so when we go to 3 seconds, simply right click here, click on off and go here and move it to 3.5 seconds. 3.4 seconds is fine, also fine. Let's make this time about to 10 seconds and click on calculate. As you can see the red line moved. Let's go up to 3 seconds and let's measure the distance first. What is the distance? Go to the evaluate measure, select this face and this face. So the distance is 306.1 mm. So what I can do is remember this one, so right click on it, click on distance and enter the value of 306. Click OK. Now if I click on calculate, okay, it looks now fine. Now I need to move this one as well, so to do that first click on here, select yeah, this view is fine. So let's measure the distance from here to here, select this face and this face. It is 258 mm. Okay, so what we can do is I can apply a motor here, so go here, select linear motor, select this face. What was the distance again? I forgot. Select this face and this face. 258. Okay. So 50 mm is 258 mm. Yeah, linear motor. Select this face and distance is 258 mm, and starting time is 6 seconds and it will end at 10 seconds. Click OK. Now click on calculate. Okay, there are some mistake. Right click on it, add to 58 mm, start at 6 seconds, and duration time. Okay, duration time is 4 seconds. Sorry, my bad. So basically duration time is that it need to travel the 258 mm distance in 4 seconds. Okay, looks fine to me. Let's increase this time to 12 seconds. Click on calculate. Yeah, looks fine. Now we have done it. Now make this part bring back. Now let's do some coloring or material. So select this one, go to appearances, click on, this is organic, basically a wood. So select the wood, polished add. This one looks fine. Don't worry about it, we will get the colors. I don't know why it's blacking out. No clue. Yeah, this color is black. So this design is quite useful if you have a low space, you can use it well and it will help a lot. And we forgot to do one more thing here. Basically, how we, no, I guess it's okay design. So guys, what do you think about this project? And guys, before I end this video, please check out the course link of my Solidworks animation and motion analysis if you want to learn it. It will be a great thing. You will learn a lot of things over there. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, make sure that you ask in comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.